Okay, hello, this is just an example to show you what we might be able to do. First off, we're just going to download Pencil2d, which is an open source program that is free. We can go for the most recent Windows build. I need to install it on this computer, so I'm just going to download that. It takes a couple of seconds. We'll set it up and we can show you how you can do some simple exercises with your students to show them the fundamentals and the basics of animation. Really with this, it's portable, so you just have to copy it to wherever you want. But we're just going to be showing some of the very basics. I'm not going to go into weighting or anything like that. I'm just going to show you how to actually get them using it. So I can close all this. Okay, so this is a default configuration. We can change it from here to make it a little bit simpler, but it's probably best just to stick with it. First thing is delete vector layer and delete camera layer, because they won't help. Okay, so we have got on by default onion skinning the previous frame. So onion skinning is when, if I do a circle here and then I press new frame, I can still see the last frame, so I can see where I'm working from. Okay, so if I keep going like that, I am using my mouse here as well. Okay, new frame. We can move it on just a little bit from where we can see the last one. And if we turn that off, then it's just on its own. We can scrub back and forward. That's called scrubbing in the timeline. There's a little animation, and we press enter for it to play. Okay, this is the frame rate here. It's currently set at 12. You can put that much higher to make it smooth. Oh, it won't let me. Okay, so that's, but 12 is a good one for beginners. Gives you lots, you don't have to draw too many pictures to get a relatively long result. Okay, so there we have our circle. So F7, I believe, is the keyboard shortcut to put in a new one. So I'm going to turn back on onion skinning. You really want your students just to ignore all of this stuff and all of this stuff, really, to be fair. Once they get the hang of it, they can start adding brushes and things, but at the moment we just want to worry about this. So let's see. So I'm going to add a new frame, draw, add a new frame, draw, add a new frame, draw, add a new frame. And then we can start making it bigger, which is metamorphosis, I suppose. Get big, big, big. So really, if you get rid of those layers and stick with pressing F7, you'll have a good result. Turn off the onion layer, the onion skinning, and this little thing goes whoosh up into the foreground. Okay, so press enter and boom. Put a little face on him. Okay, so we want that to sort of rotate out of nowhere. So it's coming from behind, so for each frame it's getting nearer to obscurity and out of sight. See how that looks. So, whoop. Yeah. There's my little guy, doesn't he look cool? So basically, if we do a brand new frame here, and I put a box, then I put a brand new frame along a bit, and I put a box. Okay, so this is what I want to happen in my scene. The box moves from there to there. Okay, so these are my two main poses, and then what I would do is go to start putting some in-betweens in. And this is what's called tweening. So if we put our onion skinning back on, it helps. So it's gone from there to there. So this is the tweening process. We've done our beginning point and our end point, and we gradually get nearer to it. You can just drag the frames along, and okay, so we can turn it off. So from my two poses, I've successfully tweened the motion to go in between. We can just scroll back and forward there. So that is your normal tweening. If you're using a vector program, You have motion tweening, which would be literally dragging the shape along, and then shape tweening would be its best guess at taking all the points and sort of morphing them and generalizing them into the next shape as best it can, but not usually with that great a result. Okay, so yeah, if you just stick with that, and then obviously if they want, I'll get a big brush, size down, get some colours in there, but it's easier to just work black and white and just put that as a restriction, and set it there and just work with one layer. Okay, so that's the file saved. I'll save that for you guys, so I'll save as a pencil file to my desktop, and this can be found in the S drive with all the other resources that I've put up today. Thank you, okay, bye bye.